Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door on your fireplace. Alright guys, here is a look at the pegs that are on your door. There's a set of these on the bottom as well. So this side here is the one that slides back and forth on the track. And this peg fits into some holes on the top and the bottom of your fireplace. Here's a look at the one on the bottom. And the one on the top is a little bit different. It's actually a bracket here. You can see it's held in by a screw right here and then extends all the way out here. And you're going to notice it's got a little bit of a spring in there. Here's a different angle. You can see him just peeking out right there. So what I'm going to do is insert the bottom peg to the hole in the bottom. I'm going to insert the top pegs in here, slide it across this way. And because this thing is angled downward, the peg should snap right into that hole. I got the door folded. Going to guide that peg into the hole. Gonna let these drift over to the side and just slide it over. And then to release, all you gotta do is push up on that tab to release the peg in the hole. Just reverse. I hope that helps, guys.